my tube caddy. Let's see if I can open this up. They've got one wall of tubes. This is built. I made this cabinet myself to store all my tubes in out of some plywood. I used a piano hinge. So you got this door which opens up. You can see it's like this. And we have all these over here. Step back. And then I've got some more over here. And these are all basically in your, numeric order number. You even have some of the older tubes, like a 45. I got a bunch of 6E5s. I tubes. These are all I tubes up here. More I tubes. Let's see what's in here. 6V6s. I got a whole boatload of rectifier tubes. So these are my in the box tubes. I've got probably at least this much more, probably 3 times this of pulls, but I don't usually go to them unless I can't find it in here. And the way this works is you can close this up like this. You see hinges like that, and there you go. Kind of keeps it all nice and neatly organized. Here's another set we'll be coming back to later. This is another Zenith. This is one of my first combos I had. It's a nice set. Got a few spare tubes for them. Anyway, you get the idea.